Well, look what Santa brought tonight. Hello YouTube, Dion from ILAG Tech, and this is the unboxing of the SilverCrest Digital Air Fryer XXL. Now, this is all the rage for cooking nowadays, so we have to try this one. So this is the new technology for heating food. As you can see, an air fryer can cook some delicious meals, and this one has a special touchscreen. An air fryer provides healthier meals really fast, and this one from SilverCrest is offered for a really aggressive price considering the specification and its category. So this one, it's supposed to be able to cook a whole chicken, but I guess this will be more suitable for French fries and perhaps some chicken nuggets. So let's go and open this box and check closely this air fryer by SilverCrest. But let us first check the specification of this air fryer. There are some on this packaging. The total capacity is 5.2 liters, so that's why this is a double XL air fryer. This is the cheapest one in this category. There are 3 different types of heating up a meal. Essentially, this is mimicking grill, baking and frying. Here we have all the specification in various languages. Here is in English and more. So you can have a look here first. And now let's just open this box and check closely the air fryer and everything else that comes with it. So okay, here we just have to open this here. Now there seems to be a great amount of foam in there, so this is good for not damaging the device. Now this seems to be quite a hard cardboard there. Okay, we'll make it like it's so. It seems there is some documentation there. Okay, here is the manual. Take a good look at this one before using this air fryer. Some cardboard residue, and okay, let's take this off like that. As you can see, there is a big chunk of foam there. Now let's just take this out. Okay. Now I should mention that despite the size of it, it's not that heavy, so you won't need another one to carry it around, but you should be extra careful for not dropping it. So up we go, and okay, that was it. That seems to be it. Now let us have a look down here if there is anything else included in this box. And no, that's all of it. This is empty, so we can remove it from here. And just check the air fryer. That seems to be well wrapped up. So let's unwrap now this packaging. Oh no, I just realized this is all glossy plastic. I mean, I really hate this thing. They think that they'll make it look premium, but this is an electrostatic nightmare. If you want my opinion, this is the worst they could do. Well, we'll keep this here for now. Now the cable seems to be fairly long. That is always a plus, if you ask me. There is also a special compartment here that you can hide it behind the air fryer and do some cable management in your kitchen. Now, okay, you can untie it like it's so. And now here, this is a really interesting thing. We have a Velcro strap like that. It's a really nice addition. You can always use that to keep tidy your cable behind the air fryer and use the desired length, something like that. And you can always adjust it if you want to move it at a given distance. I honestly don't like the glossy plastic. I am biased, if you want to say so, but I think this is not the ideal type of plastic to be used on a cooking appliance. And honestly, this looks like a mirror. Now the top of it and the whole casing feels plasticky and cheap. Now let's remove these seals here, and okay, there are lots of them. There you go. We have also some more on this side. Okay, we just have to remove them all in order to open the cooking compartment, like that. Okay, here we have some residue again. You see what I'm talking about? Okay, that's the problem with it. So, okay, here we have a key to open it, like that. And pulling it out, we can see the internal side, where we place the food that we want to heat. It's in here. And, okay, there's a sticker in there. Now, this whole thing looks something like a frying pan for the material used in here. And also like a fryer, but the whole idea is that the hot air is circulating inside here and it's heating up all the interior of this chamber. And here we have some wrapping material that was somehow placed in here and can be easily removed. I'm afraid I might scratch this one, but okay. Here we have a metallic joint that is avoiding to heat up the plastic with a rubber band, and this is actually a place that can be removed by switching this key here and flipping it up. By pressing this key first, we can unlock it and voila, now we can remove it and wash it and clean it. And we can just place it back, and of course we can also wash this part here. It is the same material, and okay, there seems to be a rubber part that fell off, I guess. Okay, this is from here. As you can see, there seems to be another rubberized part here for not touching and heating up the surface and scratching it with a grill, like here. You can see this is a rubberized part also, and I guess this is for letting the air circulate below this part and avoid uneven cooking. Just remember to lock this key here, like that, and keep the internal part in place, and that's how we close it. So I guess there are a lot of things that you can cook here. Okay, so now let's just check this manual. You can also download it from the link provided here. You can see there are all the important information you need to know about this device. Take a good look at this one. We also have some images of how to open and close and handle the cooking compartment. That's really nice. Well, it seems we have our first scratches and some dust collecting here. Now let's go to the bottom of it. We have 4 rubberized feet here. They seem to be really grippy, and still we have this cheap plastic down here. So here we have it. We just have powered it on. Okay. Now we just press the on-off button here. It's actually a touchscreen. Okay, here we have it. Here are all the indications for timer and the temperature. One can enter here the time needed to heaten up the portion inserted in the air fryer. Okay, only the circled button seems to have input commands. Here we have some presets for cooking up specific meals. I guess some brownies are an option, or some pancakes perhaps. Broccoli, bacon, chicken, french fries, steaks, shrimps, or bread toast, and anything else, you name it. So this was the unboxing of SilverCrest air fryer.